Welcome to my channel. These V-neckline small sleeves and plain white t-shirts are ideal to show off your torso area and can be flaunted in colleges and even cool for evening parties as well. This is a perfect outfit for every female as it lends a staggering and impressive look that can be matched with any bottoms and shoe. T-shirts are such a unique outfit which can be flaunted in any part of the day and any time without any doubts in mind. On this crew neckline, a white t-shirt and small black embellishments are printed, lending a striking look to a woman's appeal and attracting every eye towards her. The beauty of this apparel is that it can be worn in any season, and especially it's immensely comfortable in summer as it's made from cotton fabric, which is the best fabric for summer. This t-shirt has a loose fitting and is made of cotton fabric, cool, well suited for the summer season. This is a unique and never going out of fashion is this full sleeves white round neck t-shirt which suits all occasions and makes every female look very lovely and lends an extended look to its appearance. These types of white t-shirts can be worn in any place and are ideal for hangouts or daily baths. Here comes an exemplary looking white tight fit tee for females, making them look great and distinct from others. This type of t-shirt can be paired with skirts of any pattern, and the small colorful heart adds a more enhanced look to the entire concept. The most remarkable thing about this outfit is that it can be worn as formal wear as well for cool casual looks, still looking startling and ensuring striking looks from every corner. This polo neck white t-shirt with red small embellishments highlights the look of this outfit and lends a cool detail. This white t-shirt in the center, gorgeous print on the ship is done lending and mart look to the wearer. The most appreciated and all-time favorite is these printed t-shirts for every male as they can be styled on any place and lend them startling look to their persona. Never going out of fashion and lending an enticing look to men's persona is the magic of this t-shirt. On this t-shirt, outstanding black and white color combination stripes are printed, lending a staggering look to men's attire, an all-time favorite color outfit. See more, women's and men's army tee. It's an ongoing fashion and trend that you can print small, still powerful quotes printed only on white t-shirts and spread the message to the entire world. This t-shirt is designed on this line, lending an impressive look to the wearer.